I guess like the grand scheme of why I think the team exists is two things. I love the development side of us building the race bikes. Being from Bio, I love doing all the tech articles and all that stuff. So being able to be knee deep in helping develop the bike and getting the brands together and the partners together to build the package is really interesting to me. And then the second side is I have good connections, good contacts. I'm really grateful for it. So in helping somebody like Carson or Cody or other people in the pits that need help, like that's kind of my go-to thing. I don't know why, but it's what I like to do. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Oh.
How's it having your trainer as your roommate as well?
Oh, it's awesome. To be able to have him as my mechanic, trainer, kind of like a life coach, best friend, like it's roommate. I mean, it's all there. All the pieces of the puzzle are there.
It's been cool getting the chance to work with him because it was always like he always wanted to work with me, and I always thought he had the potential to do really well. So I never doubted that. And then when the opportunity came this year to actually work with him, you know, obviously like it fit with my life as well. So I definitely took the opportunity because I think he's got insane potential. So, and he's a good kid.
Ooh, this case is the triple pretty good. Well, this thing probably don't have to get together. How out of it does it seem?
He seems okay. He just, I told him ibuprofen, rest, hydrate.
Okay.
Yeah, we just gotta get through the practice and qualifying. We'll be good. So
Awesome.
had a little mishap, but it's all good. That's why we have 2 qualifying sessions.
Oh, yeah. If you're on the bike, I'm not. If it was just a mistake in the first one, dumb mistake, then if you're confident in it, do it. If not, go with what you know. Having it in the back of your head, and then all you're thinking about the whole track is just that, so you're not paying attention to your technique. And everything else was like you were always like kind of like front wheel high on that tabletop, so you could drop the front wheel on the downside. Like push through that shit, you know? Really push through it, as if you're trying to OJ it, you know? Like go through it. If you own that line. But if you want to do the 3, then you do the 3. That you're on the track, you make that choice. But if it's just going to eat you up in your head, I think you have to do it. It'll be fine.
You want water or anything, Cody?
Yeah. That was freaking stressful. I hate LCQs. But it's main event time. It's where I do my best. I don't know if it's good for me or not, but I need some energy. I'm tired, so time to get it. It's just there's not much I could have done after
What happened? You rode really well. You were on point.
I just focused on myself, and
Yeah.
I was just like, we're here, we're just getting points now. And
You had a decent start until the
Yeah.
cluster happened, but I mean, other than that, you rode well.
Hey, but on a real note, 9th in points.
Hey, Cody, you're top 10 in points, man.
Tony and I had a game plan from day one. Focus on myself, ride smooth, and be consistent. And that's
I was worked harder than you pushing this thing up the hill.
yeah.
Oh. Not too bad, not too bad. You are just a little pussy after all.
Well, that's a wrap on my first Supercross season.
Nope, you did good.
Yeah, he did right.
Ready for this 4-6 and what you can be.